Let's go ahead and do Netflix. I know someone asked about that earlier. Same thing. This, of course, will be to the long side. This will be to the short side. Same exact situation here. I mean, it's almost there now. Yeah, I mean, it's already looking like Pole City here. But if this drops, you know, another dollar coming out of the gate, this is when I would start looking at it to the short side. Same thing here. I'd be extremely cautious. I wouldn't start looking at a long position until well above 305.52. And to safely enter into a longer position. Of course, there's no such thing as safe, but I wouldn't look at this until it seriously started to recover. What's it at 301? And it moved $16 pre-market. Oof. And this is a guesstimate. We have no idea here, but I wouldn't start looking at long in it till above 305.52.